Hello. Now, we are going to go over how to create your personal website or your business website using Google. So, right now, this screen that you're looking at is in the Drive. So, you have to access your Drive area of your Google or your Gmail account. So, once you access your Drive area, you are going to click on New, and then you scroll down to More. Okay. And then once those choices come up, you scroll down and you click on Google Sites. You see that on the screen? Okay, so you click that and then click Google Sites. This is going to come up. It's going to say Untitled Site. And you can go here and type in the name of your business. Let's just put my business. Okay. And you can go up here and title the page if you would like. My business site. Okay. So this is where you will enter all of your pictures, links, everything. Now you can make it more than one page. And I have my camera covering up the area that I need. Okay, so I'm going to take the camera off right now because it's hiding some things that I need to show you. Okay, so this is the beginning of your site. Now over here, you'll see different selections. Let's start at the top. We have insert, and these are the choices that you can insert. Okay. We have pages. This is where you will enter multiple pages. You just go down here and click the plus sign, and it will add new pages. And then there are themes. Themes is just like the font and the basic color layout of the site. I don't really fool with themes too much. So let's start at insert. Okay, so let's say you want to insert images. So let's insert an image at this background, the background of your title. So you click images, and it's going to ask you, do you want to upload images or do you want to select? So let's click on select. And it's going to ask you, where do you want to select an image from? And you can type in, if you have an image web address you want to enter, you can put that here. If you want to search the web, you click search. If you want to select an image from your personal albums that are on your device, you click your albums. If you want to select an image from Google Drive, then you click Google Drive. In this case, let's click search the internet. So we're going to search all of Google. So let's search Machu Picchu. We'll put a picture of Machu Picchu. I might be spelling it wrong. I think it has an H in it here. Machu Picchu. And then all the pictures of Machu Picchu will come up. So let's select an image of Machu Picchu that we want to put on our banner. So you click the image you would like, and then you select. You click the select button. Okay, so you see it here. Now, it was posted here because I did not click on change image here. You notice whenever you scroll your cursor over an area, you have the option to delete the area, change the image, or header type. So let's click change image so that the image can be the background image of our title page, the background banner image. Click search, and let's click Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu. And we are going to try to select the same image we selected before. So now you see your header image is Machu Picchu. The background image is Machu Picchu. So then you can come down here. You can just actually delete that. I was just showing you how to post an image. Now, let's say you want to show people, you want to put some text in. Then you click the text box and the text box will pop up. Now, let's just put some text in here. This is a test site. Okay, and then you have the options of how do you want this text to show up? Do you want it normal text? That is what is showing up right now. It's normal. Or do you want it larger? Let's make it the title or a heading or a subheading or small. Let's do heading. So that makes it larger. Now, where do you want it? Do you want it left justified, right justified? Do you want it in the middle? Let's center it. Okay, see that? So now it's centered. Also, do you want a background image for this area? You just click here, section background. Okay, and you click image. Do you want to upload an image or do you want to select an image? Let's select an image. Let's put a beach picture or ocean picture. Let's say beachfront picture as the background picture for this area. Beachfront. Okay, let's choose this picture and select. So now you see this is a test site and you see the background picture. And you can just do that all the way down. Now let's say you have a YouTube channel and you want to add your YouTube video to this layout. Then now we all know that Google is part of YouTube. So, okay, so as I was stating, YouTube is part of Google. So it's so easy to incorporate your Google Calendar into your site, your YouTube videos into your site, maps. If you want to include a map of your location on your site, it is so easy. Google makes it seamless. Okay, you can put a form if you want someone to complete a form on your site. You can put it here. So let's go ahead and include a YouTube video in your site. So you go here, you can search the web or you can search videos that are already uploaded onto YouTube. So I'll just choose a video from my YouTube channel. Let's do Libra horoscope. Let's add that. So you will see here, this is where my video will show up or your video will show up. My computer's a little slow right now, but you can see it in one moment. You see that? This is showing up now. And you can do all of this with your information. This is just a test to show you how to create it. Okay, so let's say this is the home page, okay? And let's add another page. Let's say page. Go to pages. You see this here? This is your home page that you're looking at. But let's add another page. Let's add an about page. So you click the plus and then you name the page. Let's just say about. And you just click done. And once you click done, Google is going to automatically forward you to the second page. Okay. And up here, you will see how many pages have been created. You have a home page and you have an about page. Okay. So let's go back to insert. And oh, one thing I did not go over are the themes. These are the different layouts that you can choose from. Now, you don't have to choose any of these layouts. You can still create your site by just inserting text boxes. However, if you want to, let's say you're selling products. Okay, let's add another page and I'll show you about the layouts. But for your about page, you can just insert text box. Just insert a text box and just, this is the about page. Yeah. And just keep going on like that, or just type whatever you need to type about your business. Okay, it can be as long as you want, as short as you want, you know. And let's insert an image. Of course, I have shown you how to insert an image. So this is your about page, okay? And I just type that mumbo jumbo just to give you an example. Okay, so now remember, don't press this publish button until you are ready to make this go live to the world. Okay, right now we're just working on it. So let's go up here and add a product page. We will add another page. You go down here, you click new page, and you name your page. Let's say product page. Okay, so now you can see here you have 3 pages in this website. You have a home page, you have an about page, and you have a products page. Right now we are on the products page. Now let's choose a theme. I'm sorry, a layout. Let's choose a layout. Let's choose the multiple layout since you might have multiple products to insert. So this is where you enter the picture of the product. Let's say we are selling, let's say we're selling travel packages. Okay, so let's select images from Google. Let's say we're selling packages to Machu Picchu. So we will search, let's search airfare. There, let's see if there are any images that come up when you type in airfare. Okay, let's put the airplane up there as the picture for this product. So this is going to be our airfare portion. Okay, let's say airfare to this destination. And let's say it is, let's say $975. And this is where you can, if you have a PayPal account, you can attach that to this and have people pay. And when they click on this, you can set up your PayPal so that whenever they click on this $975 airfare, it'll go straight to your PayPal, and all they have to do is send the payment to you. Okay. Now let's go to this next area and enter hotel. This is just examples. I mean, if you, let's say you sell soaps, you can enter each of the different soaps you sell and the different prices. I'm just doing this as an example. So, hotel. And a picture of a hotel pops up. Let's see. Picture of a hotel. So let's choose a hotel image. Well, this is not in Machu Picchu. We know this is in Dubai, but let's just choose this. Okay, select. And then you can say um, hotel for this destination. Destination. And then we can say $700 for for a 5-day package. Just going off the top of my head. It's just all make believe, okay? And then this is where you will enter your PayPal link. And I put this here, but actually, if you really wanted to insert your PayPal information, you would go. There's a way you can highlight this. You highlight the $700. Now, of course, you have to have your PayPal link set up. So let's say highlight the $700, and then I'll show you how to do that later. But you get the picture. You click on the plus sign. You add the image of your product, and then at the bottom where it says click to edit, you type in the description of the product along with the price. Now, when you want to add your PayPal information, you highlight the area, and then you go here to the insert link. Insert link. And let's say I have already set up this. Of course, you have to have everything set up in PayPal already. This is just a demonstration. Of course, I wouldn't use my PayPal Me/Moonlighter unless I only wanted the $700. Okay, so you can see here it is now highlighted. So when people visiting your website come here and they want to pay for this hotel experience, all they have to do is click on the $700, and then it'll go to your PayPal account where you can accept the payment. Now, I will show you, let's see, I would have to open up my PayPal account to show you how you can actually add. In fact, I'll show you on my website. I'm just going to pull up my basic website. I'm not going to pull it up in my Google account. I'm going to pull it up as if I am a visitor of my website, moonlighters.com. Okay. So this is my website, and I set this website up on using Google. This is a free website. Now, I did, however, use GoDaddy in order to get a shorter website address. Okay, so this is my website. Now, let's say you want to travel with us to the Sedona retreat. So you can go here. This is just if it was open. We have a wait list actually. Okay, so let's say you want to travel with us on the Sedona retreat. I have it set up where you can make a payment right here on the website. You see this? All of this was set up through Google. Let's say you want to pay for you and your spouse. You just click on this. You want to pay, let's say you want to pay a full payment for you and your spouse. You click on this full payment times 2 people. And this will, once you click buy now, this will take you to my PayPal area where you can just pay for it. And you can set things like this up on your website as well. Even if you want to take an astrology class, let's say you just click on astrology class, and then you scroll down because you can pay for everything on my site. You just scroll down, of course, read everything, and then you scroll down to the class that you want to take. Okay. Let's say you want to take the basics course. Okay. You can purchase the course right here on the site. So what we're going to do, we're going to click purchase. Okay, so that you can see how you have to set up your PayPal account. So once you click purchase, it might already recognize that I'm signed in. So let's see if it takes me directly there. Yes, once you click purchase, you see this course is $180. And it'll take you to PayPal, and you just sign into PayPal. Once you log in, you will purchase this course, $180. Okay. And the same thing with you and your site, with whatever products you are selling. You set everything up in PayPal so that when people are visiting your site, once they click on the PayPal link, it will take them to PayPal where they can pay for your courses. So let's see here. This is another course I'm teaching. In this, let's say you are purchasing this $130 course because you booked early. You just click purchase course and it will take you to PayPal. You see that? $130. So it's simple like that. I'll show you another example. Let's say you want to request a reading. You just click on request reading and you scroll down to the reading you would like. Okay. Scroll down. Let's say you want a year ahead reading. A year ahead in-person reading. You see it's $100, so you just click purchase now. And it will take you to the PayPal account where you can purchase that in-person year ahead reading for $100. You see that 100 right there? And so on. So that's how you set up PayPal. That's how you incorporate PayPal into your site. Okay. And let's go back to our site that we are creating, just as an example. Okay. So that's how you use the different layouts. Okay. Let's say, and you can do this with events as well. Like you don't have to use Eventbrite if you don't want to. You can, let's say, okay, this is products. Let's set up another page. We're going to call this page events. Let's say you have a business where you have a lot of events and you want people to purchase their tickets to this event. Let's name this the events page. Done. Okay, so you will see at the top. Now we have 4 pages. We have a home page, we have an about page, we have a products page, and we have an events page. And you will see it here. Now let's say you want to move your about page to be the last page. Then all you do is go here, hold it down, and you move it to the last space. Now, you see that? Now the about page is the last page. Okay, so let's set up this events page for multiple events. So let's say you have 2 main events you want to feature. Okay, let's say, and then you go here, click the picture you want to show. Let's say, oh no, not upload. I want to upload. Then I have to wait for my computer to catch up. I don't want to upload anything from my desktop. Okay, well, let's go here and select image. And we're going to select the image from Google. That's my favorite spot because Google has more images than I have. Of course, if you have taken your own personal, professional pictures, you can, of course, put those up there. But we're just using this as an example. So let's search New Year celebration. Okay. Let's see what pictures come up for that. Okay. Let's just pick. Okay, let's pick this. Let's say that we're having a New Year celebration in Machu Picchu. Oh, wait. Let me undo that. You can always, this is the undo button right here. Undo. Just press undo and it will undo it. Okay, so you see, this is the section background. If you click this and add an image, it will take over this whole spot. Okay. But if you just want the image to be in this box, which is what I didn't do. You click here, okay, and then you select image, and let's do New Year celebration again. Oh, wait, search. Let's search New Year celebration. New Year celebration, and then you click next. And let's put in this Happy New Year picture. Now you see it's only in this box. What I did before was I clicked on the section background area. Okay, Happy New Year. Let's say, come celebrate the new year with us. Okay, get your ticket. Let's say, get your ticket here. And let's say you're charging $50. And then you would highlight this, insert your PayPal link that you already created. Okay, this is where you insert the link. I don't have a link, so I'm just making a link up. PayPal link. Of course, it's going to be much longer than this. Okay, and press apply. Okay. Of course, you have to get the PayPal link from your PayPal account. You're going to copy it from your PayPal account and then paste it here. You're going to paste it here. I'm just making this up right now. Okay, so let's say you have a New Year celebration you want to invite people to, and let's say you also will be traveling to Machu Picchu over Valentine's Day. So let's select an image, and let's say Valentine's celebration. Let's search, and let's do Valentine celebration. We're going to be celebrating Valentine's Day in Machu Picchu. Okay, let's see. Let's do this one. Okay, let's insert that. And so you get the picture. Insert that, and then you can say, celebrate this romantic day with us. Let's say, get your ticket now. Get your tickets now. And then you add in your PayPal information. And if you want to say, let's say, boys to men, let's say boys to men, and let's say Leonard Skinner. Leonard Skinner. Might be spelling it wrong. Leonard Skinner will be performing. You know, something like that. Just enter the whole destination. Just whatever you want to type. You know, you can enter all that information here. Okay, so that is just your basic information. And then, of course, you have to play around with it. Okay, you have to play around with it. Play around with inserting text boxes. Play around with inserting images. Play around with embedding other links from other sites. You can even embed your YouTube channel. Play around with inserting images in forms from your drive. Okay, so let's create another page so that now one thing is when you insert a form, the form has to already be on your drive. Okay, so let's create another page for okay, let's say you want to create a page so that people can sign up for your newsletter. Let's call this page contact us. done. So you see contact us. Now you have 5 pages in your website. So let's say, 1 minute. Okay, so let's say you want to insert a form. I don't insert a lot of forms, but let me just see. Let's say insert forms. You click forms, and okay, it's going to give you all of the forms that you have on your drive, okay? Okay, so let's say you want everyone, let's say you have a group going with you to um, Machu Picchu, and you want them to choose between different Airbnb options that you have presented to them already. So this is a form that I created for one of my retreats, and I had everybody vote on which Airbnb they liked. So we're going to insert that vote. Insert. Just select your form that is already, select the form that you have already set up. The form has to already be set up. You can't create it in the website. Okay, so you have inserted the form. Okay, this is just a short form. It can be longer and more elaborate. But in this option, I had them choose between like maybe 10 different options. Okay, and they can actually respond to the form and submit it to you right here on your website. Okay, so you can do polls, um, different things like that. Okay, so let's say you have a website. Let's say that you want them to choose or sign up for a newsletter. You can insert that form right here on the website. Okay, so now let's go over these options at the top. Okay, this is the undo button. This button is the preview button. It's good for you to select this button and preview everything that you have created. Preview all of the changes that you have made on your site before you publish it. So let's see what the site is looking like. Let's preview. Okay, and the preview starts on whatever page you are looking at. Okay, so for this one, it doesn't start at the home page. It starts on the Contact Us page. But let's go to the home page and see what that looks like. Home page. My business. This is a test site, and we had a video up. That's the only thing we put on the home page. But of course, you can set up your website however you like to set it up. Let's check out the products page. Okay, and you see the products there. This is our Machu Picchu trip, and people can pay for the airfare right on your site. They can pay for the hotel right on your site. Okay, you see that? Also, if anybody wants to donate to me, if you find this information valuable about setting up your site, you can send me a donation at paypal.me/moonlighter. Also, you can visit my website and scroll all the way to the bottom of any page. Just scroll all the way to the bottom of any page, and it says, "Thank you for choosing Metaphysical Moonlighters. If you would like to donate to me, to this site, click here." And you can click there and send me a donation if you like this video. Now, let's go back to our practice site. Okay, so let's check out our events page. Let's see what events visitors to our site will see. Okay, events page. Oh, we have a Happy New Year celebration going on, and people can get tickets right on our site by just clicking the dollar sign. Now you can also set it up where people will see the whole PayPal button. Uh, let's see. Most of everything on my site, I just have a link, but on my events page, I do have it set up where people can actually see the credit card symbols. So you can set it, it's up to you how you want to set it up. Okay, let's see. Okay, you see it right here. You see here, you can set it up where people see the Visa, MasterCard symbol, or you can just set it up where they click on the link and it takes them directly to PayPal. So it's up to you. Now, we're going back to our events page, and this is the preview page, okay? Now, we have a New Year celebration going on, and we have also a Valentine celebration in Machu Picchu. Let's see what our contact us page looks like. Contact us. Of course, on this page, you would definitely want to set up how someone can contact you. But on this page, I just showed you how to insert a form. Okay. And let's check out our About page. Okay. So this is where you would say, talk about your business. So let's say this business is about Machu Picchu. You can say this website is about Machu Picchu. We have a love for Machu Picchu. It's such a mystical place. Join us on our journey. Whatever you want to say on your About page, okay? Now, if you want to exit the preview area, you just click the X and it goes back to our workspace. Now, we have not clicked publish yet, and I won't click publish because this is not a real website. This is just Well, this really is a real website. However, I don't want to click publish because it's going to be shown to the world. And this is just a practice site to show you how to do it. Now, let's see what else there is. You can share this website with others. You just click this. And again, you're going to play around with all of these links. Now, let's say we have already clicked publish. Once we click publish, we will be able to share this link with everyone. Okay, so that's what that's about. Let's go here. It's just some other information that you just play around with. You can do a custom URL because right now our URL is very long. Let's go back to home. This is a long website address. So if you want your own personal URL, let's say you want a URL that says my business. Let's say you are creating business cards and you don't want to have this long website address up, on your cards. So you can visit GoDaddy. I believe they charge like $20 a year or something to have your own personal URL. Okay. Um, on my page, I do use GoDaddy, and so that's why I'm able to give out the website metaphysicalmoonlighters.com because I pay GoDaddy to have a shorter URL. So let's say you want a URL that says mybusiness.com. You can visit a site such as GoDaddy so that you can obtain a shorter URL. Okay. Um, so that's everything in a nutshell. Now, I am available to set up websites. It is a hobby of mine. Um, However, I do have to charge because sometimes it does take a lot of time. So I do have to charge. So if you are interested in having me set up your website, um, just give me a call and we can talk about it. Let's see, I have my number on my website. So you can just give me a call, 404-919-9424, or actually the best way to contact me is through email, citrineshaka@gmail.com. That's the best way to contact me because sometimes I might be with a client or in the middle of a reading. So it's best for you to contact me through email, and I'd be happy to set up a website for you. So that's everything I have for you as far as setting up your free website on Google. So now, don't forget to like this video, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, everyone. All right, that's everything I have for you. Good luck with setting up your website. This is Dee with Metaphysical Moonlighters. Now, I'm also known as Citrine Shaka. You will notice that on my email is Citrine Shaka, and that is also my Facebook username and my Instagram username and Twitter, Citrine Shaka. But a lot of people know me by Dee as well. So it has been a pleasure to bring you this video, and everyone have a great day.